After seeing the homes that Palacio was building, we were really intrigued with it, so we set up an appointment with Mark and went in and met Mark and showed him the style of the house we were looking at building. And Mark goes, well, John, he says, I think I can build you a great house, more square footage, and probably save you some money. And so that's exactly what happened here. And we actually moved into the house, and I'll never forget, because we pulled into the driveway, and there stood Rick with a big smile on his face. And he was as proud as we were when we pulled in. The feeling of pulling in and seeing, Jan said to me, she said, I can't believe this is our house.
I still, when we pull in, John and I will like pull back a little bit, and it's like, oh my gosh, this house is so awesome. I never thought I'd have a house like this.
Yeah, when you grow up, you never in your life think that you're going to have a home like this. But Mark made it all come true for us.